look at this. This is because I don't comb my hair like in the week. Oops. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be doing a one brush, one eyeshadow makeup look. I did this eye look with one eyeshadow and one makeup brush. So if you want to know how to get this look or do this look, then keep on watching. Right, so I'm just going to start with priming my eyelids. And for that I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Primer. Well, not primer, concealer. And I'm literally just going to be concealing the eyelid and taking it up to here just so I can sculpt my brow. Then with the little brush I'm just going to be carving them out and putting the concealer into the eyelid. Then you just go in with a damp beauty blender just to make sure it's all blended in nice and seamlessly, and make sure that the middle of your eyebrows are blended because you don't want like some nasty line there. So like it says in the title, all you need is one eyeshadow and one eyeshadow brush. And because I'm wearing orange today, I'm going to be going in with this shade out of the NYX Brights palette. This nice orange shade here. And to start off, just to get the pigment, you're just going to take your finger, literally just swirl it in and pat that on the lid. And this, it's just so easy, especially for days that you can't be bothered or you've not got any brushes left that are clean. Like, that is the story of my life. Literally, you need a finger and one eyeshadow brush and one eyeshadow, and literally that is it. Then, now that you've got your base down, you're just going to go into that eyeshadow and blend out the edges. And for me, I like my eyeshadow to go really high, so it's going to start off here and go all the way up. But yeah. And I'm not even using a mirror, I'm literally just looking in the viewfinder because this is so easy, you don't even need a mirror. Just make sure that you've got a blending brush. That's like the most important thing, is a good blending brush. And then when you feel like this is going a little bit, you know, just literally get your finger again and build up the pigment. And I'm going into the same eyeshadow, I'm literally just using one eyeshadow for this look. Because it's a one eyeshadow, one makeup brush look, honey. Keep blending it up until you like the finish. And if you feel like the edges are still a bit, use your clean finger and go along the edge. And it just blends it. And to give it a little bit of more dimension, put more eyeshadow on the outer corner to make it look a little bit more darker or more pigmented, and it gives it a bit of a darker look. And then I'm just going to do the other eye, and then we can finish off with the base. Right, so now both eyes are done. Like you can see, it's literally just one wash of colour. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and literally just coat my lashes. And you can either use like a strip lash or just mascara. I'm going to go for just mascara because, to be fair, I can't actually be bothered to put an eyelash on because I'm not actually going anywhere. So for skin, I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail Primark Perfect Colour Foundation. This is literally £2.50 and it is my favourite foundation ever. Like when people are going on like, oh my YSL, oh my NARS, oh my Givenchy, my Giorgio Armani, and then like, hi girl, it's £2.50 from Primark, give it a go. And I literally just dab it on like this. And then I'm just going to go in with my Zoeva Round Top foundation brush. And I always like to push downwards because I have peach fuzz on my face and I don't want to shave it off because I'm proud of it. No, I'm joking, I don't want to shave it off. And then you go in with your blender afterwards and blend it all in. So that's like partly blended, so then I go in with my sponge and then just literally blend the rest in. And I think that that just gives it a better finish because the brush like coats it evenly and then the sponge picks up the excess. Okay, so for concealer I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind. This will always always be a G. Like, this has been going for like the longest time. Like, when I was in secondary school, this concealer was everyone's holy grail. I feel like it just never lets you down, it never goes wrong. It's just always there for you, you know? And then sponge to blend that in. Like always, chin, nose, forehead, and then eyes. If you want the most coverage, then leave your concealer to sit for a minute. Just don't move it, don't bother it, just leave it to chill and it will do its magic. Yeah. And then with your concealers, the trick is if you pull it up, you can clean up your eye makeup and make it look snatched. Then to set the face, I'm literally just going to be taking a little bit of loose powder, setting under the eye. All the places that we just highlighted basically, just set those. Make sure it's not sticky. You can feel if it's still sticky with your brush if you drag it along. We don't want it to be sticky. Okay, so now because I do look all one colour, I'm going to be taking my Hoola bronzer and a big bronzer brush, literally just swirling that all around. I'm bronzing up the skin.
I got galley on me, up block belly on me, panic and dash, them boy run and retreat. It's unknown tea.
You see how that's given me like a nice little something to the face, so I don't all look like the wall behind me. So like always, contour, my Makeup Revolution contour kit. And I normally go in with this shade here. It's like a light cool brown, not too dark, not too warm, because obviously it's a contour. And we literally just want to go light hand, don't go all in, don't do it all at once, just blend it. And then if you see it looking a little harsh, blend upwards like this. And then it'll melt into the skin. And then just to make sure that everything is all blended together, I'm going to go in with my Zoeva. It's like a big fluffy face brush. And literally just blend everything together. I'm going to finish off with the eyes. So yeah, with the same brush, you go in to this colour again. Obviously this brush is way too big to be going underneath the lash line. So what you need to do is you need to pinch it so it goes thin like this. And then go underneath the lash line. Just like that. So now you've got eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Use it with one brush, just make it skinny, you know. I'm just going to finish off the eyes by doing my bottom lashes with mascara. How many videos have I got with me doing that? Then I'm going to be highlighting. So I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter with a fuck off brush and, you know, highlighting. This is like one of my favourite highlighters. I go on about it all the time. I love it. It's so bright. And I literally love to take my highlight onto my temples, nose, cheekbones, lip, chin. And then, because obviously, yeah, why are you leaving the house without highlight though? You got to leave the house with highlight. So obviously, take this and put it in your inner corner. Look. Multi-purpose, that's what we like. That is what we like. There, that's the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. Literally, it's so simple. I've only been filming for like 15 minutes because this look is so simple, so quick. Please give me a thumbs up, like the video, leave a comment, and obviously subscribe to my channel. What do you want to see next, guys? I've got a couple of videos lined up. Oh, look at this. This is because I don't comb my hair like in a week. Oops. Let's just hide that behind there. Baby, bend your back and then dig it, bend your back and then dig it, back and then dig it. Gal, what more digging back in 1 minute, back up that. So, like I said before, please like, comment, and subscribe to my video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.